All right, let's make us some whipped cream topping. Take your quarter cup of sugar. Now I'm putting mine in a plastic container because I'll be putting it in the fridge because I'm not going to use all of it at one time. All right, a quarter cup of sugar. All right, the only thing you're going to need anything to measure with, unless you want to measure your quarter teaspoon vanilla extract. I keep saying extract so I can get used to saying extract instead of extract. And pinch of salt, little dab will do you. Heavy whipping cream, just over the top of the sugar. Almost done. First be thrown away. Thrown away. Okay, here we go. Now you want another squeeze of lemon. Another. Just one little squeeze of lemon. Catch seeds. See, I got 3 seeds there. You don't want those in there. All right. There you go. All right. Now, just a little bit, quarter teaspoon of vanilla. You accidentally get a little bit more in there, a little more than a quarter teaspoon, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. All right. Now, whisk first. Whisk first. Get that. Get that to where it's not gonna splash all over the kitchen. Now, a light duty blender or beater is all you're going to need this time. I'm doing this in a plastic container. All right. When you're done beating, just put your beaters on slow and slowly lift. Slowly lift. Getting those. And when you do that, when you slowly lift, put your beaters on low and slowly lift them, and the cream will go back in. Most of the cream that's on your beaters will go back in your bowl. Okay. Now, I rinse my beaters off. This is pre-washing. Gotta rinse them off. Yum. All right. Now just smooth it out with a spoon if you want to. Oh, here. You don't want to look at me. I'm moving. Let's see. What you want to do is make sure it don't come off the spoon. Okay. This is going to be for pancake toppings. Okay. Now, shall I just dump that back or eat it? All right. Don't forget, make a topping before you make your batter. All right. We'll get you on flip flop. We gone. Bye bye.